Hello, family and friends. This is Beverly Black. And how is everyone doing today? I pray that everyone is doing very, very well. Today, I'm coming to you with a very, very easy recipe. You will put this in your keepsake to do from now on. We are going to be making lemon bars, and it is only 2 ingredients. And the ingredients are a box of Angel Food cake mix, 1 can of lemon pie filling. This is 21 ounces. It doesn't matter the brand. You can use any brand that you want to use, but use the lemon pie filling. So we are going to get ready and start making these lemon bars. Okay, with Thanksgiving and Christmas fast approaching us, this will be a nice little snack to have around, these lemon bars, or anytime. But what you need to do is first preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now these lemon bars will bake from 20 to 25 minutes. It really depends on your oven. So first we will take I'm using Betty Crocker Angel Food Cake Mix. I'm going to pour this into the bowl. Get it all out of here. I don't want the little package falling on it, okay? Now I'm getting ready to open up my can of lemon pie filling. And this is all you are going to need. Make sure you wipe that the top of that can off before you use it. Because you know, other little creatures can be walking on top. So we're going to take this lemon pie filling and we're going to put it in the bowl. Look at all that goodness in there. I tell you, I could just eat that by itself. You put the whole can in here. You don't need a mixer at all. You will just be stirring this up. I'm trying to get every bit of this lemon out. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix it up until it's all mixed very well. Make sure there's no cake mix in the bottom, but do it very gentle. Like I just put mix every which way. Okay. Those things happen. So we're gonna mix this up all together. And you will need a 9 by 13 dish to put this in. Spray it very in all the corners, so you want to make sure you can get it all out when it's time to get it out. It's coming together. Okay, all of the mixture has been mixed up together, and here is what it looks like. We're going to spray a 9 by 13 dish now. I'm using Baker's Joy. You can use whatever brand you want to use. Shake it up well and make sure you get the corners. Okay. Now we're going to pour, excuse me, the fumes got in my throat. We want to pour the mixture in. Make sure when you make it, you don't have any cake mix at the bottom that hasn't been mixed up. Make sure it's all mixed up. So after I get it all in here, we're going to evenly distribute it in the dish. My oven is preheated at 350 degrees. And as I told you, the bake time is between 20 and 25 minutes. It depends on your oven. Have a little bit so we can evenly distribute. And we're getting ready to put this in the oven. And I will be back when it has baked. The lemon bars is out of the oven, and you see how big and fluffy it is. It has to chill or cool down for 1 to 2 hours, and then I can cut it. But once it starts cooling down, it will go down. It won't be as big and fluffy as it is now. And then I will put some powdered sugar on top, and we will cut the bars and see how they are. The lemon squares have cooled down. It's been a little over an hour, and you see how they have went down. So now we're going to sprinkle a little powdered sugar on top, and then I'm going to cut the squares. Probably a little bit too much, but it is there now. Okay, we're gonna cut them now. Cut them into the squares. Okay, I'm gonna take out one so we can see how it looks. So you can see easy lemon squares. Let me get a fork and I will taste them. Let you look down in here. And you taste, oh, it's so lemony. This is good. You see it? You see that texture? You see how it looks? This is a must to try. Only 2 ingredients. Angel food cake mix and a can of lemon pie filling. This is a hit. I want to thank everyone for stopping by today. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do it. And leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And if you try it, please let me know what you think about it there. Everyone be blessed and prosperous. Remember, I love you, but God loves you more. Why? Because you are his masterpiece. Bye-bye.